Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Seesaw activity. More specifically, I'm going to show you different ways to add templates so that your students can edit or respond. Okay, I'm going to show you in particular three different ways. Okay, one is how to upload a photo. One is how to upload from TPT, which is Teacher Pay Teachers. And then the third way is going to be from Google Slides. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, you have to get into your Seesaw account as a teacher. You're going to click the Add button, Assign Activity, and then you're going to create a new activity. Okay, so just label the activity. So I'm just going to say photo. Okay, that's the first one I'm going to try. And you go down, you can add your instructions, your directions. You can even add voice instructions for students who are young and can't read so good yet. You can add multimedia like videos and examples in there as well. But today we're going to work specifically on adding a template for student response. So I'm going to click on that, student for adding to add. And I said I was going to add a photo. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is I am going to upload a photo. So I took a photo actually using my phone, or you could just take a screenshot. Okay, so here I have a photo that down here, I took a photo of this because I only had it in worksheet form and I didn't actually have it online or a soft copy. So I had to take a photo of it. I'm going to say upload, and I'm going to take that photo and drop it. Okay, click the check when you're done. And then this is what my students can edit. Okay, check again when you're done. Okay, so that's the first way. I'm going to say save. And if I go to my activity library, it should be in there. See photo? I just taught you how to add a full photo. Okay, the second way to create a activity or a template. So I'm going to create a new activity, and this time I'm going to teach you how to do it with TPT, that's Teacher Pay Teachers. Okay. And then same thing, you can add the instructions and so forth, but today we're showing you how to add a template. Okay, so for TPT, it's tricky. There's actually two ways, okay, because I noticed that the easy way, so I downloaded a TPT right here, and you will notice this has 262 pages. Well, I'm not going to assign all those pages to my students. Let's say I only want to assign one page. So I want to assign page 16. Okay, what I can do is make sure you have this on thumbnails, okay, which I do. I have my thumbnails checked. And so that you can see the little preview here. So I want to assign page 16. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it out into my desktop and drop it there. Okay. So once I've dropped it into my desktop, I can go to upload in my Seesaw file and drag it in here to Seesaw. So there you go. That's the second way. So say check because you're going to save it. So you can see my templates right there. Say save. Okay, so in my library right now, I have that. And you could see it TPT. That was the easy way. Okay, now I'm going to show you TPT, the more difficult way. So create new activity. So TPT, the more difficult way. So I'm going to say difficult. Okay. So I'm going to add a template. So same thing, upload. But I'm going to show you this TPT that I opened. And this one only has 9 pages. And again, I don't want to assign all the pages. But I notice when I go to thumbnails, I notice something different about this one. Let's say I want to assign page 8, okay? And I kept trying to drag it to my desktop, but it wouldn't drag. So I'm not sure why it wouldn't drag. But what I did was I have another idea, okay? So if it won't drag, but I still just want that page, I'm going to click off thumbnails, content only. That's what I'm going to click. So you see how the thumbnails disappeared. And then I'm going to say, I can say single page, so I can just see one page. So I'm going to scroll to the page I want. I think this was the page I wanted. Okay, DOL number 5. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a screenshot of it. So on my MacBook Air, it is Command-Shift-4, and it'll give me the crosshairs. I select it. Okay, I took a screenshot of it. And so now my screenshot should be on my desktop. So it's right here, my screenshot. I'm going to pull that screenshot into my Seesaw and drop the file. Click yes, and then there it is. Now it is in my students template for them to edit. Say save. Okay, and then I'm going to check my library. And there it is, the TPT that was difficult. Okay, one last way I'm going to show you how to use a template is, or make a template, is from Google Slide. Okay, so again, add template. And this time you're going to go to whatever Google Slide you have. So I made this whole thing of beginning sounds for Google Slides. Let's say I only wanted this page with the letter B. Okay, what I have to do is I have to go to File, Download, and then save it as a JPEG or a PNG. Either one works. Okay, once I've done that, my download appears right here. Okay, so now I'm going to shrink my box just a bit where I can still see my download. I'm going to go back to my Seesaw. Okay, so this was my Seesaw right here in this window. I'm going to say upload. And then I'm going to grab, from this screen, I'm going to grab my download and upload it into Seesaw. And there you go. Now my kids have it as a template to use. So I'm just uploading. Check it. It's right there. Say save. Okay, I'm going to check my library, make sure it's there. And there you go. That's the last way. Okay, I hope this really helped and makes it easier for you to make your activities in your library in Seesaw.